Value streaming aligns every aspect of a process to customer value by examining the process from the customer's perspective. Instead of asking business-focused questions such as, how can we reduce process costs? Value streaming asks, what in this process creates customer value? Answering this question identifies which activities create customer value and which activities do not. Anything that does not create value for the customer is considered waste. Value streaming has two complementary goals: improve the operational efficiency of value-creating activities and minimize or eliminate waste from non-value-creating activities. To identify value-creating and non-value-creating activities, you create value stream maps of operational processes. You can create value stream maps at different operational levels, such as the process or product level, the manufacturing work cell level, the factory or office level, or even the extended enterprise or value chain level. Value stream mapping requires three basic steps. 1. Map the information and material flow of the product or service. 2. Analyze the production operations backward from the customer's perspective to identify value-creating and non-value-creating processes. And 3. Suggest improvements to each process to eliminate or reduce waste and duplication. For example, Tanner is a product manager at a manufacturing plant that builds butterfly valves. Tanner's team recently began producing an upgraded version of their standard butterfly valve. Cycle times for the new valve have remained essentially the same, increasing from 6 days for a standard valve to 7 days for an upgraded valve. However, sales have been falling. Many customers have turned to a competitor that produces and ships a valve similar to Tanner's standard valve, except the competitor's cycle time is only 6 days. This tells Tanner his firm's customers value speed over upgraded features. Tanner visits the production floor and, using pen and paper, manually creates a value stream map of all the production process steps. This first map is the initial state of the process and provides a baseline against which Tanner can measure improvements and a foundation for a desired future state value stream map. In Tanner's situation, there are 10 work centers in the valve production work cell. Each work center provides a specific function, such as inspecting incoming materials, drilling, assembly, testing, and packing and shipping. Tanner records the average time it takes each work center to complete its task to find the work cell's total cycle time. Because many customers value speed to market more than new features, Tanner analyzes material and information flows with the goal of reducing production time. He believes customers would prefer the upgraded valve if it could be produced and shipped in 6 days or less. Tanner's analysis reveals that the work cell takes 2.5 minutes to produce one upgraded valve. Tanner uses his initial state map as a baseline for the design of a future state map that incorporates process improvements that enhance time to market. The future state map displays areas where individual processes can be improved to smooth the flow of materials through the valve work cell and decrease the time it takes to produce a valve from 2.5 minutes to 1.7 minutes. After implementing these changes, Tanner and his production team are able to reduce the overall cycle time from 7 days to 5.5 days, beating the competition and recapturing lost customers. Value stream mapping is an ongoing dynamic process. Because customer needs and wants can and will change rapidly, Tanner revisits, revises, and updates his value stream maps every quarter. The production team also continuously improves its value streaming efforts, which helps it respond more effectively to changing customer demands. Like Tanner, you can use value streaming and value stream mapping to develop a customer value-centric view of your operations. When you prioritize customer value over business concerns such as reducing costs, you can identify and eliminate wasteful process steps, retain and engage customers, and improve overall performance.